Lara here, and today we're going to be sketching graphs for the following function. So the first function is f of x equals x over in brackets x plus 1. So the first thing that we do is identify this function. It is a rational function, meaning that it has to have a vertical asymptote. To find the vertical asymptote, we simply equate the denominator to 0. So find that x cannot be equal to -1, so therefore minus 1 is the vertical asymptote. The next thing that we need to do is find the maximum minimum function for this graph. Seeing as how the top only contains the 1 degree polynomial, we're only going to find the maximum value. So the derivative for this is 1 over x plus 1 to the power 3. In order to find the minimum and maximum value, we simply equate this to 0. And then solve from there. You take this out, and then 1 minus x has to equal 1. Then we sub this back into the original function. F equals 1 as 1 over 1 plus 1 squared, which is 1 over 4. So 1 over 1 over 4 is the maximum value for this graph. Seeing as how we have this points, we can already sketch the graph. Yeah, pause.
Yes.
So what I've done is draw the graphs, draw points of the graph. So what we know is that this is the maximum point. We already know, we could just to verify, sub in points like 0 to find which way the graph is curving, which would give us a 0. So then the graph would curve this way, meaning that it goes down like this. So then what you have to do is like plot just this little line on the vertical asymptote to make sure that your graph is not touching, and then have this thing go down to the bottom. Because this is a rational function, also means that a similar shape has to be drawn on this side. However, you have to make sure that this graph does not exceed the point of 1 over 4. So you could draw a similar graph, granted it does not exceed that point. Okay, yeah.